What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, and in today's video it's going to be a little bit different, and we are going to go over the Brother BabyLock Alliance single needle embroidery machine. As you probably already saw the thumbnail, so we'll just be going over a couple of things like what's on the machine, what it's capable of doing. I mean, we're going to cover almost everything, but not everything in one video. Of course, you can't put everything in one video. So I'll also add a couple of clips of some projects that I have been working on, maybe at the end of the video. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and do me a huge favor and go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. Thank you, guys. So right now, I can go back real quick. I am using a pen, and I clicked this for the other design. But because the hat hoop is in, it's only showing what can fit for the hat hoop. So, but these are just the different designs and stuff that they have on here. Multiple fonts. Let's go back. You can also do a lot of borders. So you can do different shapes and sizes for the borders, which is a dope feature if you just want to do like pillows or, I mean, anything on a monogram side with a nice stitch and border around it. So, and also you have the USB feature where you can upload any of your images onto the computer, and also onto the embroidery machine, but also you also can save your images onto the machine, which I think, if I'm not mistaken, you can do that with the other machines, but I'm not fairly new to that portion. So yeah, so I mean, that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a single needle machine. It comes with multiple frames. So other than that, that's pretty much it. Like I said, it was just a walkthrough. So I will go ahead and show you guys some of the projects that I've been doing. And well, I don't think we pressed this. So okay, so this is something different. Do floral designs and stuff like that. Quilting has different sizes and shapes and pictures, home accents, as well as novelty. So it's just a lot of different stuff. So you got a lot of pictures and different stuff you could stitch out. So like I said, it's a dope machine. So glad I invested my money into it and my time as well. So I have been using it more often. I do have videos coming soon, so guys, definitely stay tuned for those videos. And keep watching, guys. Like I said, it's going to be a nice, fun channel, so definitely stay tuned to the channel. And any newcomers, if you could do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. And let's just get into some of the videos that I've been doing so far, guys. Stay tuned. I didn't mention how long it would take. It is 70,000 stitches, and it says 119 minutes. So yeah, pretty timely stitch out. So you're not going to see the whole 119, but I am going to give you some of the details and some of the stitch out. So definitely stay tuned for that. Coming out good, coming out great. Man, when I say I'm really in love with this machine, I mean, what can I say? All right, now we are going to the next color, which would be the last color, will be black. And there's a lot of black. So let's go ahead and get that started up, guys. Stay tuned.